This 12th problem. If an initial amount A naught of money is invested at an interest rate compound n times a year, the value of the investment after t years is A is equal to A naught of 1 plus R by N power of Nt. If the interest is compounded continuously, that is as N infinity, show that the amount after t years. This is a initial amount A naught. This is a initial amount A naught, investment at the rate of compound interest rate compound n times of a year. This is the show that the amount after t years A is equal to A naught e power of A. Solution: the amount after t years A is equal to A naught 1 plus R by N power of Nt. This is A is equal to A naught into limits, that is as N tends to infinity, limit N tends to infinity 1 plus R by N power of Nt. This is 1 plus R by N equal to infinity. This something by infinity equal to 0. 1 plus 0 into infinity into 2. And this is infinity. 1 plus R by infinity power of infinity equal to 1 plus 0. Something by infinity 0 into infinity equal to 1 power of infinity. This is a indeterminate form. This is a indeterminate form. That is not a L-Hospital rule. This is a L-Hospital rule. This power, this A equal to, let f of x equal to, this take that A by A naught equal to 1 plus R by N power of Nt. Nt power Nt. The formula is, take the both sides, taking log on both sides, log of f of x equal to log of 1 plus R by N power of Nt. This is this log of f of x equal to this power formula. This formula is Nt into log of 1 plus R by N. Take the both side limit. Limit extends to infinity. F of x equal to limits N tends to infinity. Nt into log of 1 plus R by N. This is a constant t. T take the outside. Limit N tends to infinity. Log of 1 plus R by N by 1 by N. This is N is our convenience is 1 by N. The reverse is N into log of 1 plus N by. This apply limits. This is a t into, this is a 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. Log 1 R by infinity. This is a something by infinity equal to 0. Log 1 value is 0. 1 by infinity value is 0. 0 by 0. This is a indeterminate form. Indeterminate form use the by L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule is a t into limits n tends to infinity log x derivative. This is a numerator derivative, denominator derivative. Log x derivative is this is a x, 1 plus r by n is x. Log x derivative 1 by x, 1 by 1 plus r by n. Again, this is a again inner derivative, 1 in derivative 0, r by n, r is constant, 1 by n derivative is derivative of 1 by x derivative is minus n square by this derivative 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Again with respect to n, this 1 by n is equal to minus 1 by n square. Minus cancel. Minus cancel, n square cancel. This is a constant, take the outside, rt into limit n tends to infinity 1 by 1 plus r by n. Limits n tends to infinity f of x equal r into t into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus r by infinity equal to r into t 1 by 1 plus 0 equal to rt. There f of x equal to value is limits n tends to infinity a by a naught equal to limits log f of x equal to limits n tends to infinity equal to log, take the log outside, f of x a by a naught equal to rt, take the limits n tends to infinity a by a naught equal to e power of rt equal to a is equal to a naught into e power of rt. This is a amount of n t years after n t years, a naught into e power of rt. Yes, today discussion is monotonicity of function. Monotonicity of function or its behavior of increasing or decreasing. This is a monotonic function, increasing or decreasing. For example, this is a example, x equal to f of x equal to x square. X is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. F of x equal to, f of 2 equal to 4. F of minus 2 equal to, minus 1 equal to 1. F of 0 equal to 0. F of 1 equal to 1. F of 2 equal to 4. This diagram now, this is a x-axis, this is y-axis, this is a minus 1, minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4, this is x dash, this is y dash, x, this is origin 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. This is a minus 2, this is substitute x, f of x equal to, is a x square, value is 4. This is a curve is this curve. This is a curve, suppose curve. This curve is decreasing. This is a curve is decreasing. It is a parabola. This is a y. This is a y. Y is -2. Y-axis, this is a 4. This point. -1, 1. Next 1. This is a 0.4. Sir, this is a 4. Next this is point is this is a parabola. This is a parabola. This parabola x is -2. X equal to -2 అయినప్పుడు y equal to 4. -1 అయినప్పుడు y equal to 1. 0 x equal to 0 and y value 0. This 1 అయినప్పుడు 1. 2 f of 2 equal to 4. This is a increase. This is a decreasing function. This is a increasing. This is minus infinity semi open to 0. This is a decreasing. This 0 to infinity increasing symbol. This is a monotonic intervals. Monotonic intervals. The monotonic of functions are its behavior of increasing and decreasing. Suppose x value this. Y is equal to f of x equal to x square. This y values. This the set of the points is decreasing. This set of the points is increasing. This is a downfall. This is a curve up. This is called the monotonic intervals. Minus infinity semi open, minus infinity to 0, semi close 0 to infinity. This is a decreasing function. This is a increasing function. Next definition of the 7.4 increasing function. A function f of x is said to be an increasing in an interval I if a less than b plus f of a less than or equal to f of b for all a comma b belongs to I. This and a decreasing function. This a function f of x is said to be decreasing in an intervals I if a less than b implies f of a greater than or equal to f of b for all a comma b. Suppose this intervals. This is a sin x intervals. This is a value negative. This is a value is positive. This is 0 to up value weak. This is a parallel line, parallel to value. This is a f of x equal to x. This y is equal to f of x. This y, this is a positive increasing function. This is a y is equal to minus f of x. This is a decreasing function. This value is increasing. This is a negative to positive value. Next is decreasing. This decreasing again to increasing. This is positive. Next this is a y is equal to f of x is a increasing. This is a minus. It is a positive value. This is increasing some value. This is a decreasing function. This is a less than b implies this is a increasing function. This is a increasing function. F of a less than or equal to f of b. This is a decreasing function. This is a less than b. F of reverse. a f of greater than or equal to f of b. F of b. This is a curve. This is a sine inverse curve. Sine curve. This y is equal to f of x. This negative to increasing. This is curve. This curve is sin x above curves positive, sin x below is negative curves. This is increasing curve. Y is equal to f of x is a increasing some value. This is decreasing some value. A less than b. This is a less than b implies f of a less than or equal to f of b for all a comma b belongs to I. This condition a less than b, f of a less than or equal to b. This is a increasing function. This a less than b, f of a greater than f of b. This opposite sign. This is a less than b. This is a greater than or equal to. This is opposite. Is a decreasing function. F of a greater than or equal to f of b. This is a decreasing. Theorem 7.7. If the function f of x is differentiable, is an open interval a comma b, then we says first, if the dy by dx of f of x greater than or equal to 0, this greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to a comma b, then f of x is increasing in the interval a comma b. Next, if d by dx of f of x greater than 0 for all x belongs to a comma b, then f of x is strictly increasing in the interval, open interval a comma b. This is first is the definition, d by dx of f of x. This is dy by dx is greater than or equal to 0. This is dy by dx equal to 0. This is, suppose this line, this is curve, this state, this is 1, 2, 3. This origin, this is a 1, 2, 3. This is a line. This point is, this is a increasing. This is a increasing. This dy, the parallel to x-axis, this line 2, 3 intervals parallel to x-axis. Dy by dx equal to 0. This line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. This line increasing is dy by dx greater than 0. This line dy by dx equal to 0. The slope parallel to x-axis. This next, if dy by dx f of x greater than 0, the strictly, this is a strictly increasing in interval a comma b. This is dy by dx greater than 0. This is strictly increasing. Now next, f of x is decreasing in the interval a comma b. If d by dx f of x less than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to a comma b, f of x is strictly decreasing in the interval a comma b in the d by dx of f of x less than 0. Now this diagram is decreasing. This diagram is decreasing diagram. This is decreasing. This is less than f of dy by dx is less than or equal to 0. This is decreasing. The strictly is dy by dx is less than 0. This less than 0. Then the derivative of f of x greater than or equal to 0 is increasing in interval, open interval a comma b. Yeah, derivative of f of x greater than 0, this for all x belongs to a comma b, then f of x is strictly increasing in the interval open interval a comma b. This is strictly is this line parallel to x-axis. This dy by dx is greater than 0. This derivative, this greater than or equal 0. This is a increasing function, increasing interval. This f of x is greater than or equal the parallel to x, that is parallel to x. This is slope. This line parallel to x-axis. This line. The decreasing in the interval a comma b. This diagram decreasing dy by dx f of x less than or equal 0 for all x belongs to a comma b. Next, derivative of dy by dx f of x less than 0 for all x belongs to, this is a strictly decreasing function. Friends, definition of stationary point. A stationary point x naught f of x if a differentiable function f of x is where f dash x. Suppose this is a increasing, this f dash x equal to, this is a dy by dx equal to 0. This parallel to x-axis. This is a x naught comma f of x naught. This is a stationary point. This is a parallel. The increasing. Next, this also stationary point. This stationary point. This the function f of x equal to 0. That's f of x dash equal to 0. This stationary point. Next, a critical point x naught f of x naught. A function is where f of x dash not equal 0 or does not x not equal to 0. This is a f dash not equal 0 and f dash x equal to. This also, this is the highest critical point. This is a critical point. This curve is derivative dy by dx equals 0. The slope. This point is a x naught f of x. The critical point f dash c is equal to 0. For example, y is equal to f of x square is f of x. F dash x equal to 2x. Now, f dash x equal to 0 implies 2x equal to 0. X equal to 0. This is a critical point. Critical point. This x belongs to -1 comma 2. Now the graph is this. Now graph is this. This is a graph is critical point x equal to 0. This is a x equal to 0. This is -1. -1 to 1, 2. This 0 critical point. This value is f of x is a substitution. F of x is substitution. Example 7.46. Prove that the function f of x equal to x square plus 2 is strictly increasing in the interval 2 comma 7 and strictly decreasing in the interval -2 comma 0. What is the strictly increasing? This is a derivative of f of dash x greater than 0 for all x belongs to a comma 0. Next, strictly decreasing derivative of f dash f of x less than 0 for all x belongs to a comma 0. Now simple, this is a f dash x greater than 0. This simple f dash x less than 0. This is a two values is f of dash x greater than 0. This is it is a strictly increasing function. This is a decreasing function. Now this given function solution, given function is f of x equal to x square plus 2, f dash x equal to 2x. This interval x belongs to 2 comma 7. 2, this between 2 does not exist, 7 does not exist. Between the values 3, 2.1, 2.3 up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.1, 6.2, 6.9. This value is exist. This is a 2, 7. This is a between values, between the values 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This value is the exist greater than 0. Suppose 3 substitution greater than. This greater than 0. This value, suppose example 3 substitution. F dash 3 equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6 greater than 0. This values 4, 5, 6. Between values, this greater than 0. Therefore, f of x is strictly increasing in open interval 2 comma 7, and f dash x equal to x less than 0 for all x belongs to minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 comma 0. This value is minus 2, minus 1, 0. This value 0. This minus 2, these values exist. This minus 2.9. This is a minus 2 value between values. These values exist. This suppose this is minus 1 directly. Minus 2 into minus 1, minus 1. This suppose x equal to minus 1. F dash minus 1 equal 2 into minus 1 less than 0 equal to minus 2. Minus 2 less than 0. This value strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing. This is minus 2, minus 1, 0. This between values. This is f of x is strictly decreasing in interval minus 2 comma 0. In interval. My dear students, example 7.447 prove that the function f of x equal to x square minus 2x minus 3 is strictly increasing in open interval 2 comma 0. Open interval 2 comma 0. This increasing, strictly increasing. This derivative f dash x greater than 0 for all x belongs to 2 comma infinity. This is 2 comma infinity. Solution, given that the function f of x equal to x square minus 2x minus 3, the x power of n derivative d by dx of x power of n formula n into x power of n minus 1 d by dx of x equal 1. X derivative is 1. X power of n formula is n into x power of n minus 1. This derivative with respect to x, the differentiation with respect to x. F of x derivative is f dash x. X square derivative is where n equal to 2. Where n equal to 2. N, the 2 into x power of 2 minus 1. This 2 into x minus 2. The interval, this given interval for all x belongs to 2 comma infinity. 2 comma infinity for all x belongs to 2 comma infinity. Suppose this is infinity, this 0 is 2. This values, any values, substitution, this minus values and 0 and 1 is strictly increasing. Value is suppose is 2. Value is 2. This is 2 infinity 1. 1 is 2 minus 2. So this is a value is f of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to 2 comma infinity. Thus, therefore, f of x is strictly increasing, strictly and minimum. Let x naught be a number in the domain D of function f of x. The f of x naught is the absolute maximum value of f of x on f of x on D. If f of x not greater than or equal to f of x for all x belongs to D, this is, suppose this function, this is a, this is a B. This function is this value of this x derivative, x derivative. This is f of a. This is a B. This is f of B. This f of B value is the distance between f of a is greater than or equal to f of x. This is a f of a greater than or equal to f of b for all x belongs to a comma b. Suppose this x naught, this value decreasing, this curve is decreasing, value is decreasing value. This is a f of a less than or equal to f of b for all x belongs to a comma b. This value. This let x naught be the number in the domain D of a function f of x, then f of x naught is the absolute maximum value of f of x on D. If x naught greater than or equal to f of x for all x belongs to D, and f of x naught is the absolute maximum value of f of x on the f of x D. This diagram, this is increasing, this is 0 is parallel to x-axis, the decreasing, 0 to increasing. This is a absolute value, the absolute does not exist. This value is absolute maximum, absolute minimum does not exist. This is a exist. Now the curve is decreasing. This is a 0. This curve is a decreasing to increasing. The no points, end points. No end points. This is a minus infinity to infinity. Does not absolute minimum, absolute maximum. Next also this is also minus infinity comma infinity. This lines the passing through origin. This is no absolute minimum, absolute maximum. This is A, B. This is a absolute maximum, absolute minimum in A comma B. Absolute maximum and minimum in interval A comma B. This no end points. This is a infinity. This is a absolute maximum, absolute minimum. Find the absolute maximum, absolute minimum. This find the working rule or working rule. This is a let f of x belongs to A comma B. Let f of x, this is a function. This is x belongs to A comma B. First is f dash derivative. F dash, now let f of x equal 0. We get the some value of for x belongs to A comma B, any c. Suppose f of x equal to x square minus 2, this is a 2x for 2 minus 2 comma 3, this x belongs to. This first is a function, this interval. F dash x equal to x, 2x. This now f dash x, now this is a critical point. F dash x equal to 0, 2x equal to 0, x equal to 0. This is a critical point. We get the value of any c. C is endpoints A equal to minus 2, B equal to 3, C equal to 0. This function substitution. The largest value is absolute maximum. The smallest value is absolute minimum. Absolute minimum, absolute maximum. For example, f of x equal x square minus 2, x belongs to minus 2 comma 3. The derivative 2x, x equal to 0, x equal to 0. This is a critical point. This is a critical point. This critical point, this A equal to 2 endpoints. This function endpoints minus 2, 3. This is a critical point. These three values in the sum function, given function substitution. This largest value is a absolute maximum. The smallest value is absolute minimum. This is a 0 belongs to this critical point. This critical point in this substitution, this is a belongs to 0 belongs to minus 2 comma 3. 3 comma 3. This is exactly. This critical point is also this between the minus 2 comma 3. This is a value. Theorem 7.8, extreme values theorem. Simple. F of x is a continuous and closed interval A comma B. Then both absolute maximum and absolute minimum and closed interval A comma B is called the extreme value theorem. Extreme values. This is two. This f of x is a continuous function and closed interval A comma B. Then f has the both absolute maximum and an absolute minimum. This is a absolute minimum, absolute maximum. The previous, the working rule is identified. This f of x given function f dash x. Now f dash x equal to 0. See the critical point, find out. This is a point absolute minimum, absolute maximum. The both values is called the extreme value of theorem. If f of x is continuous or closed interval A comma B, then f has the both absolute maximum, absolute minimum. Children, example 7.48. Find the absolute maximum, absolute minimum values of the function 2x cube plus 3x square minus 12x on minus 3 comma 2. This is a solution given function. Given function f of x equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 12x on minus 3 comma 2. Now differentiation with respect to x. F dash x cube derivative is 3. Formula is derivative of x power of n equal to n into x power of n minus 1. Where n equal to 3, substitution 2 into 3, 6 x square plus 6x minus 12, x square derivative 2x, 2 into 3, 6x, x derivative 1 minus 12. Idi let f of dash x equal to 0 implies 6x square plus 6 minus 12 equal to 0. Take the common 6. X square plus x minus is 2 equal to 0. X square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. This multiplication, x square coefficient and constant coefficient equal to minus 2. This value is 1. This is a 1. This is 2 minus 1. 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. This is it. Or another, this is a 2x square minus. This is a 2x square. This is plus minus x plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. Take the common x minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1, x plus 2 equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2, comma, x equal to 1. Or the critical point, points C, x equal to minus 2 comma 1. Critical points x equal to minus 2 comma 1. F of x is end point is end points x equal to minus 3 comma 2. This diagram 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. These values. This is a minus 1. This 0 1 2. This value is now the critical points x equal to minus 2 comma 1, x equal to minus 3, end points minus 3 2. This is a total values, 4 values. Find this substitution. F of minus 3. This is f for now. F of x equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 12x. This is 1 by 1 values, minus 3. F of minus 3. 2 into minus 3 whole cube plus 3 into minus 3 whole square minus 12 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 whole cube value is minus 27 plus minus 3 whole square minus whole square plus 3 whole square 9. 3 into 9 minus 9 plus 12 3 is 36 equal to this 24 into 2 7 2 is 14 2 is 4 plus 1 minus 54 plus 27 9 3 is 27 plus 36. F of minus 54 plus 63 27 plus 36 7 plus 6 13 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6 equal to 9. 6, this is a 9. F of minus 3. Next, f of minus 2. F of minus 2. Substitution. 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square minus 2 into 2 equal to 2 into minus 8. Minus 2 whole cube. Minus whole cube nothing but minus. 2 whole cube is nothing but 8. Plus 3 minus 2 whole square. Minus into minus plus 2 whole square into 4 plus 24. Minus into minus plus 12 to the 24. Minus 16 plus 12 plus 24 equal to minus 16 plus 24 plus 12 36 equal to minus 24 36 minus 16 and 20 f of minus 2. Next, f of minus 1 minus 2 2 f of 1 equal 1 equal 2 into 1 whole cube plus 3 into 1 whole square minus 12 into 1 equal to 2 plus 3 minus 12 equal to minus 2 plus 3 5. 5 minus 12 minus 7 f of 1. F of minus 2 equal to 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square minus 12 into minus 2 equal to 2 into minus 2 into minus 8 2 whole cube. 3 into minus 2 whole square nothing but 4 minus 1 plus 24 minus into minus plus minus 2 24 equal to minus 16 plus 12 plus 24 plus 24 minus 2 is also 2 f of 2 equal to 2 into 2 whole cube plus 3 into 2 whole square minus 12 into 2 equal to 2 into 8 plus 3 into 4 minus 24 equal to 16 plus 12 minus 24 equal to 28 minus 24. F of 2 equal f of 2 equal 4. Now this values absolute, this highest value is 20, this highest value 20, this minimum absolute minimum value, this absolute maximum value is 20 at x equal to absolute maximum value at x equal to minus 2. Absolute minimum value minus 7 at x equal to minus 1. Extrema of the function f of x equal to 3 cos x on the closed interval 0 comma pi. This absolute extrema. This absolute extrema, what is the f of x is a continuous on closed interval a comma b, then f of x is a absolute maximum value and absolute minimum values is called the extrema value. This is function, this is a absolute minimum, absolute maximum value. This given function solution given function is f of x equal to 3 cos x for all x belongs to close interval 0 comma 2 pi. This differentiation with respect to x, f dash x derivative f dash x, f of x derivative is f dash x. 3 constant side cos x derivative. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus sin x. Now f dash x equal to 0 implies minus 3 sin x equal to 0, sin x equal to 0, x equal to n pi, where x equal to 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. So n equal to 0 to up to infinity. This pi, 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. This is a critical point. This scale is 0, pi, 2 pi. This critical point x equal to pi, 0 to 2 pi, between value this pi. This 2 pi does not exist, 3 pi does not exist. This between value pi. Next, f of x is end points x equal to 0, x to 2 pi. First, now f of is 0, 3 into cos x, this is f of x equal to 3 cos x. F of 0 is equal to 3 into cos 0. Cos 0 value 3 into 1. Cos 0 value 1 equal to 3. Now, f of pi, 3 into cos pi. Cos pi value is minus 1. 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 3. F of 2 pi equal to 3 into cos 2 pi equal 3 into 1 equal to 3. This is a maximum value, absolute maximum value 3. This is it. At x equal to 0, x equal to 2 pi. Absolute maximum value is 3 at x equal to 0 comma 2 pi. Absolute minimum value equal to minus 3 at x equal to pi. These two values is called the extrema values. This is a maximum value 3 at x equal 0 comma 2 pi. This absolute minimum value is minus 3 at x equal to pi.